In Trieste, the University and the CRTrieste Foundation have unveiled the latest progress in the restoration of Villa Sevastopulo, an early 20th century landmark. The project aims to preserve the villa's historic character while preparing it for future academic and cultural use.
Today, for me, is a great day because we present the renovation of this beautiful castle, in which about 40 years ago I attended my pharmacology examination during my study, university study. With the fundamental help by Fondazione Cassa Risparmio Trieste, we will be able to have again the beautiful castle with the renovation also of the painting, beautiful ones, and so I hope that this new spaces will be for our students, our teacher and our personnel useful for staying well in our university, and so for me is a great satisfaction.
La Fondazione, quando il magnifico Rettore ha chiesto se potevamo intervenire per riuscire a risolvere i problemi che bloccavano il cantiere, non solo abbiamo buttato il cuore oltre l'ostacolo, siamo felici che ci sia stato chiesto e che questo posto torni a essere un posto di insieme, ragazzi che entrano, l'università che prospera.